Robotic vacuum cleaner, most powerful suction, removable mop plate, advanced and lighted technology, voice input, less noise, microfiber cleaning cloth, fall sensor with a side brush, white. For all hard floors such as parquet, laminate, cork, stone, linoleum and PVC. Its sensor allows it to be very precise when recording the room and create detailing mapping for safe cleaning. With its fast and robotic navigation, your room's answers has the best maps to navigate safely and reliably to rooms even in the dark. Two-in-one container for dry dirt and fresh water, pure dust container, removable mop plate cleaning tool, 2 into side brush, 2 into microfiber cleaning cloth and 2 into filter. For more useful videos, subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.